Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out timetable on the Egyptair application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on this menu icon at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down and tap on the timetable button. Then you should select a city, either from the list or type it in into the search bar, and select a destination. Then select whether it's a round trip or a one-way. Then tap on show flights. And here you are going to find the departure flights. So if you are interested in any of these in more details, you can check out the duration and other information as well. So if you tap on this arrow in the right side, you can also check out other flights and selecting further dates too. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.